Testing, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Okay, so I did promise you that we've got a fashion show happening. Just went out the back and I checked. Our lovely models are ready, and I want to introduce you to a very special person who has helped get these models ready, and her name is Siueli. Siueli, do you want to tell our lovely Tongan people about your creation?
Hi everyone. Tulong, kahufang Latu, hingai tala fatapu, kos fayat me muaning. Kaya tamo ki mautolu, ke fayat hafa me inde fa ali. Ai tale niti, ko fak ofa he eki, ke ta ilok oya ko Siueli. For the non-speaking Tongans, I would like to pay respect where it is due, to God and to the people of Tonga. Sit back and embrace the costumes made by the humble Siueli, yours truly. For those who haven't heard of Siueli creation, it is a developing Tongan tour embracing the beauty of both traditional and Western cultures, based in Sydney, founded by myself. Siueli depicts the jewel of Tonga, and that is the natural materials that hold sentimental worth to the land, such as tapa, coconut husks, seashells, and so much more. Please show a welcoming round of applause to the models. The first couple, showcasing the Tonga Taulunga by the female, accompanied by the Sianatunga Pale. This Tonga is made out of tapa or ngaku, as people may call it. The round shapes on the Tonga portray the hufanga or lupe, which is where my mother comes from, Waini. The wings on the Tonga depict the white doves that fly through the hufanga cave, and the white portrays the pureness. Also the coconut husk portraying the coconut tree in Tonga. The second couple, this couple portrays my paternal village of Paula, where the blowholes reside in Tonga. With the beach style wear for the female, this shows a modernized style portraying both Western and Tongan cultures mixed together with the style of paint. Centered by the heilala around her waist and her neck, portrays the fragrance that we hold in Tonga and what the women use as perfume. The male guffa shows the blowholes with the spikes, portraying the waves crashing through the shells of the stone. The third couple, this depicts the tightness of Tonga and the people, with the style of a nipi, knitted and weaved so tight to fit. The gold represents the Fafang Gola of Bakilao, which is a band that my grandfather made in Tonga. The white of the male portrays the Sunday wear. Also the kapa with the style of a cyclone, which portrays the Ahiohio of Malapu. Third couple, focuses on trying to embrace the westernized styles in fashion, portraying it in a cultural way that's befitted for both Tongans and other Polynesian cultures. Holding them is a portrayal of our motherland Tonga, symbolizing no matter where we are, our motherland holds us together with our culture, our religion, and our heritage. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Well, wasn't that beautiful creations? Don't go away. So just to let our audience out there know, how do they get in contact if they want something made for a birthday, a wedding, a special occasion?
You can contact, I have a page on Facebook under Siueli Creations. Feel free to write a comment.
Okay, so if you guys missed that, she's got a page on Facebook. I'm sure everyone's on Facebook, right? Yeah? No? Don't lie, stop lying, it's not good. Once again, give a round of applause to our models. You can find them on Siueli Creations on Facebook, so make sure you like and send her a lovely message. Malo Bito.
If anyone is if anyone has lost a child, I'm not sure if you are here, but we have a lost child. If you could come to the stage, we have a child who is lost.